Okay, whatever, you know the drill. First up, Ferrari against this thing. The fire truck. Ready? Well, that escaped from my hands. So, let's do it again. Ready? Oh, God damn it. Really? This is so... No, son of a bitch better not leave. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Okay. So, Ferrari clearly won. Ferrari is next round. So then these two. This guy and Citroen. And first, let me adjust this. And ready, set, and okay, Citroen got stuck. Once again, forgot. You can only go in lane 1. So, we're gonna have to repeat that. And this guy goes here. This goes back there. And let's go. Okay. Number 16 clearly won. This guy next round. Citroen is thankfully out. So now the blue car against the pink car. Girl. Yeah. Okay. This guy goes in that lane. And go. Pretty tied match. So the guy was number 1. The girl was number 4. Let's see who won. The girl, the pink one, won. And this guy is out. This girl advances to the semifinals. Okay.